Well, it's been a year now since I've actually posted a video on this channel. I think it's time to come back. I'm Philipp Helle and you're watching Philipp Helle Photography. Hello everybody, today we're going to be talking about 10 powerful tips I brought with me to become a better photographer than I was before. Getting in close to the object. Try to get in as close as possible, not too close, but as close as possible to fill your portrait or your photo with the object or subject you're taking photo of. The closer you are, the better face expression you're gonna get. Shoot photos every day. Go around, take photos or whatever you can. Snap photos every day. If you're going for a walk with your dog, take some photos. If you're just taking for a stroll, take photos. If you're walking with your girlfriend or boyfriend, take a photo. Like, shoot continuously all the time. Practice makes pro. See the light. Before raising your camera, you should see where the light is coming from. Is it coming from the left, coming from the right? Is it coming from towards you, from behind you, through the skies, through the clouds, or however the light is coming through? Try to see the light before you're raising your camera so you know you're gonna get a good lighting in the photo. Ask permission. If you're taking photos outside and there are some people you want to take photo of, ask permission. If you've taken already a photo and you can see their face are clear in the photo, stop the person you've taken a photo of and just ask them, hello, I've taken a photo and you came along with it. I thought it was cool. Can I post this? If they say no, then you have to delete it. If they say yes, go ahead, post it. In some countries, if you don't ask and they find your photo of them on the website, social media, without their permission, it's gonna get ugly. ISO. Don't forget, increasing the ISO increases the pixels and the grain in your photo. So try to find a middle point for the ISO so you can tweak it in post-production later. Buy books, not gear. Don't go for the most expensive gear out there. Try to find some books to learn how to use a camera, to learn how to use the environment you're taking photos of, or the object or subject you're taking photos of. Don't go for a $50,000 camera. Don't go for $1 million camera or a $10,000 lens. I started off with a $200 camera and I worked on using YouTube or internet or books to learn how to use my camera. And after that, I progressed in buying more expensive gear. You got to be joking. When taking photos of people or a model, try to time a joke well. It's better to have a natural smile or laughter than just saying smile. Charge your battery. Remember to charge your batteries fully when you're going out. You never know how long you're going to be out taking photos and how long you're going to leave your camera on. By leaving the camera on, it doesn't take much of the battery. If you start shooting or filming, trust me, your batteries are gonna run out quickly. Buy some extra sets of batteries. Try to buy 1 or 2 extra batteries you can bring along. If one of the batteries dies, you can always change it quickly and you've spared yourself a lot of hustle. Have a camera at you at all times. Wherever you go, always bring your camera. Whether it's your phone, whether it's your DSLR or a digital camera. You never know what happens, and trust me, if something happens that is worth taking a photo of and you don't have your camera or your phone, you're gonna regret it one day. The golden hour. The golden hour. Where the light is soft, where the light is softer and the colors are more vibrant. A lot of photographers go out at the golden hour, which is at right before the sunrise and right before the sunset. They go out and take photos. It's the perfect light, and that's why it's called the golden hour. This was Philipp Helle Photography, and I hope you learned something. Let me know in the comment section down below, what are your tips for becoming a better photographer? And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.